All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and I've typed out the word logo here, and I'm going to export it as a PNG. Sorry, actually, this is the type one. That one was exported. So let's see here. This is a font you can see in Illustrator, and we want this to become transparent background PNG. So I'm going to show you here, view, and we're going to show the transparency grid. You can see that this is what's going on here. So you don't need to select anything, but I'm going to go up here to export, and I'm going to show you different ones. Now, my favorite one is save for web. What happens here is it just gives you all the options, so it's like right there. Okay, what do you want, a GIF? Do you want a JPEG? Now, in this scenario, you're going to want PNG 24, and it's perfect, and it'll have transparency. See, that's white, so that's going to have a box, so make sure you click transparency. And at that point, you're pretty much ready to go, 100%, so it's not going to change the size or anything. You can scale them up or down. And so we're going to hit save here, and going to ask me where, and we're going to go to save it here. And let's pop it open. I'm going to drag it back into Illustrator. So here we go. Now, it does appear that it's on white, but it's not. Let me, you can see up here, or I'll do the transparency grid again. And yeah, this is now, this is a PNG. You can see when you zoom in, see those are pixels now. And a vector is not. A vector, so this is an image now, but it's a PNG, so it'll be web compatible. But if you look at a vector image, there's no pixels here. This is computer generated, and you can actually see it's cutting through square pixels. So this is a DPI, dots per inch. It's made of dots, and it's vector. It can scale to any size. The other ones have been converted to an image, but they look fine when they're at 100%, like that is. Yeah, so it looks good on web and stuff. But printing, you're going to want to use a vector Illustrator file. But that's how you do that. And there's another way to export here. You can just go export as. So save for web is sweet. Export as is just straight up PNG. So that's and it's got transparent options as well. So yeah, just make sure you hit the transparent option, and you'll have it. There's that guy, and then you can see it is transparent. So that's the one I just exported there. And let's just go through the third one just for fun. Exports for screens. Similar, but I mean, you see here PNG. I don't even know if it shows transparent. So I always use the other one. You had to click that. I always use save for screens. But anyways, don't know. There. Wow, this is old school. Okay, so yeah, that's where we're going to put it. And export artboard. So, got another one. So there you go. 3 ways to do it, but yeah, my favorite is the Save for Web Legacy, probably because I'm old and I like it. All right, hopefully that helped. Let me know in the comments below.